Andrew from ZTR Mowers, the New Zealand importer of Grasshopper commercial zero-turn mowers. Today we have a couple of diesel engine models. The 325D MidMount, that's deck underneath, and the 725D FrontMount. The FrontMount's available in a 52, 61 side or rear discharge cutting deck and a 72-inch rear discharge cutting deck. Has a powerful diesel engine, PowerFold deck lift that folds the deck up to about 90 degrees, just under. And the mid-mount is available in a 72-inch 4-blade rear discharge. We fold the footplate up for easy access underneath. There's a 4th blade that helps clear the grass under the rear spindle assembly there. Throws the grass all the way out the back. This model has the optional bar tread tyres fitted. The ROPS can be taken off for use under kiwifruit, as this model has been already. The 725 has the folding ROPS fitted currently. Strength of the 725 is the drive system has no belts at all. Direct drive off the engine. Full hydraulic Parker tandem hydraulic pump. And driving 2 Parker wheel motors. Both these models have 1,000-hour service intervals. In the transmissions when you run Grasshopper's full synthetic high temp resistant oil. Liquid cooled diesels, so they do have a radiator and an easily removable screen. Grasshopper's signature comfortable seat fitted is standard. The front mount has a drive shaft, and the mid mount is belt driven, but a heavy duty belt drive system, very reliable. Both these models are available for demonstration and suit large area mowing applications where a diesel engine is preferred. Any questions, please let us know.